INDI stock analysis and INDI stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to be doing, how I'm going to trade this, because I am the only guy in this page that has done 40,000 videos and has proof of everything. So I've seen what's making me money and what's not. In this particular instance, it's still a bearish market. I mean, INDI, let's come pull back here. No receipts there, but let me show you the before. Bro, my ideas are so freaking on point. 2 months back, 24th of February. At the time it was already made, so let's check if this is it. Yeah, this is actually it. This is when it was made, when my chart was actually white background, but 440 it was sitting at, and yeah, it was beautiful. Everything just kind of got inverted, but it was the same exact thing. And with this in mind, it's still a bearish market. I'm gonna mark down the lows, and this is the 4-hour chart. Only if there is some sort of a double break, I'm gonna look to take it down, and if not, it's all pure noise, you know. So let me know what is your opinion on this. Have my confirmation here, and if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free email.